In this video, I'm going to give you a little portfolio update in one of my live portfolios. This is a very small account that we're using to aggressively grow as fast and as consistently as possible. And this week, we've had a pretty stress-free week. Not really too much has been going on. We've managed to take some positions off. We've put on a new position, and we're already on our way to some good profits. I have a good feeling about this position. And we're kind of deploying it's not a new strategy, but we're kind of switching things up a little bit to really be as aggressive as possible. So the position that we've got open right now is, /ZC, which is the corn futures. It is a strangle that we opened at the 430 and 500 strikes. IV was elevated when we put the position on. It still is elevated right now, which is good. It's fine. We've only been in the position for 6 days, and there's still 47 days left on the contract. So we're up in total on the position, 4.2% so far, just under $19 in profit. I believe we collected over $400 on this position, and we put up just over $700 in buying power. So we collected 400 and put up 700 in buying power. So we're getting a very high return on our capital here. That's one of the major benefits of futures. So we are going to be making a serious conscious effort to only really be placing futures trades in this small account. It is a very, very small account. So if it can be done in this account, then it should be able to be done in anyone's account. So we do also have a working order on this position that's set to 25% of max profit. So we're just going to sell healthy strangles on futures and just get out nice and early, nice and quick, enjoy the very high win rates. Of course, if our strikes get breached, then we're going to go into risk management mode and start making some adjustments, start rolling up and down, maybe out in time, buying the guts, selling the wings, maybe going inverted. We're going to do whatever we can to not have to take a loss and hopefully even come out with a small profit, if not a big profit. So let's have a look at ZC on the chart. Although we don't actually trade off of the chart at all, so we placed the trade sort of around here, around this candle area, around the 470 price mark. This first options chain here, this is a previous position. Although we did manage to just take some profit, it was a pretty small profit, but we were only in the position for about 24 hours. So, so this is the position that we're actually looking at right now, this top one. So we got in at 8.875. That's what we collected. The mark price right now is 8.5. So there's a little bit of profit there for us. And it's a very, very simple position. This is going to be a very short video. But this is just to give you a little update. This is what we're going to be doing. This is the fastest and most consistent way and the smartest way, in my opinion, of growing a small account aggressively without needing to guess direction, without needing to look at the charts, all day, every day. In my opinion, there is no way better than this. You get very high returns on capital, you get very high win rates, and if a position moves against you, you can just make adjustments, and there's a very good chance that it will eventually come back in your favor. Whatever that may look like for you, it's on a case by case basis. Every position is different. But that's basically going to be it for this video. If you do want to learn more about what we do, how we do it, how we arrived at this position, etc., have a look at all of our previous videos on YouTube. They're all up there for free. We post a video every single day showing you exactly the process of how to actually find and place these trades. And then if you want to learn in even more detail about how all of this stuff works, there'll be a link in the description. Just click on EDS Premium, get yourself signed up. You will have complete and transparent, unfiltered access inside to this exact portfolio that I showed you in this video. So you can use all the trades that we post. Everything's in real time, by the way, all the adjustments, everything. You can use that information and reverse engineer it and study it, or you can just copy us. It's completely up to you. There's a full course, so we will teach you everything from start to finish. No prior knowledge is required. It's a private community, so if you do get stuck at any point, you can speak directly with myself or with other like-minded individuals. I do respond to every single person that messages, and there's a 100% money back guarantee. So once you've been inside for 6 months and you've been through the course, you followed some of our trades, if at that point you're not profitable, then we will work with you for free until you are, or you can just request a full refund. So it's completely risk-free. It's $9.99 a month to join. The price will be increasing. It's already increased. It was £1 a month. It's $9.99 now, and it is going to go up again soon. But once you're in, the price is locked in for you for life. So you don't need to worry about price increases. You are rewarded for getting in early. And the aim of EDS Premium is we want to teach you the skill. We don't want to keep you dependent on us. We want to give you the skill, and once you've learned it, no one can take it from you. It's a very powerful thing to know. And we aim to get you to that point of complete self-sufficiency within 6 to 12 months. So with that being said, I will see you guys on the inside.